In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable guest checkout in Zoho Commerce. Guest checkout lets customers place orders without creating an account, which can reduce friction and help boost conversions. I'll walk you through the exact settings to turn this on and share a few quick tips so you know what to expect. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Zoho. Click the official Zoho website from the results to reach the sign-in page or the main dashboard. If you aren't already signed in, log in with an account that has permission to manage your store's settings. Using an admin or store owner account will ensure you can access the checkout options we need. Once you're in Zoho, open the list of apps and choose Commerce. If you're currently inside a different Zoho app, use the app launcher to switch over. You should land on your Zoho Commerce dashboard. If you manage multiple stores, make sure the correct store is selected before continuing. Next, go to Settings. You'll typically find a gear icon in the sidebar or near the bottom of the navigation menu. Inside Settings, look for the Online Storefront section and select Checkout. This area controls how customers move through the purchase process. On the Checkout Settings page, stay on the General tab. This is where the core behavior of your checkout is configured. Now, find the option labeled Customers Who Can Check Out. Open the drop-down and select All Users. In Zoho Commerce, choosing All Users enables guest checkout by allowing both registered customers and visitors without an account to complete a purchase. If this is currently set to registered users only, your store requires logins, which can create extra steps for quick buyers. After selecting All Users, click Save. The change applies to your online store as soon as it's saved, so you don't need to publish anything else for this to take effect. At this point, guest checkout is enabled. A few helpful tips as you wrap up. To confirm everything is working, open a private or incognito browser window, add a product to the cart, and proceed to checkout. You should be able to continue without creating an account. Make sure your checkout form still collects essential contact and shipping information, since guests won't have saved profiles. Also consider reviewing your order confirmation emails and any post-purchase flows to ensure guests receive everything they need, including tracking details. That's it. Your Zoho Commerce store now supports guest checkout. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, keep an eye out for more quick, practical tutorials.